Is your MacBook overheating? Looking for a fix? Does it feel really hot? Do error messages keep popping up? Maybe it's acting sluggish, or the fan sounds really loud and won't stop running. We can help with that. Here's how to fix a MacBook that is overheating. Your MacBook keeps overheating. It may be because there are blocked air vents or a dirty fan, it's having hardware or battery issues, there are too many programs or apps open, or your device is running on an outdated software. To cool down your device, start by turning off and unplugging your MacBook. Then move it to a cool, well-ventilated place. Your device works best in temperatures between 50 and 95 degrees. Never leave it in direct sunlight or on pillows or bedding. Next, check the vents and fans. Any dirt or debris blocking the fans can cause it to overheat. Use compressed air to clean up the vents and keep the keyboard clean. If you're struggling or unsure of how to clean your device, take it to an expert. You should also close any programs or apps you're not using. Lots of open tabs or running programs can stress and raise the temperature of your MacBook. To find out which apps are using the most energy, go to the Activity Monitor app and click Energy. If your MacBook is still overheating, try restarting it. This can help fix any device glitches, including overheating. Make sure your device is running on the latest software, and always use accessories like chargers or power cords approved by the manufacturer. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.